The Taj Mahal is an architectural masterpiece. But how was it actually built in the 1600s, without modern machinery? Today we explore the engineering behind one of the world's greatest monuments. The Taj Mahal was commissioned in 1632 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. But constructing something this perfect required extraordinary planning and engineering. The Taj stands on the banks of the Yamuna River. This location wasn't chosen for beauty alone. The river provided water for foundations, cooling, and transporting materials. The Taj Mahal sits on soft riverbank soil, so engineers built deep foundations using wells, large brick-lined shafts filled with stone and compacted earth. These acted like ancient pile foundations. Above the foundations, builders constructed a huge sandstone platform. This artificial terrace supports the mausoleum and keeps it above flood level. The Taj Mahal's design is based on perfect symmetry. Every element, gardens, gates, towers, and the mausoleum, is mirrored along a central axis. The main building is made of Makrana marble, transported from quarries over 300 kilometers away. Thousands of elephants and ox-drawn carts carried the heavy blocks. The marble was carved by hand. Craftsmen created intricate details using chisels, abrasive powders, and polishing stones. The famous floral inlays were made using a technique called pietra dura, fitting semi-precious stones into carved marble grooves. Walls were built using a core of brick masonry covered with marble panels. This made the structure lighter and faster to build while maintaining the iconic marble appearance. The Taj Mahal's dome is one of the largest of its time. It's a double dome, an inner structural dome and an outer decorative dome. This reduces weight while keeping the iconic shape. Builders used massive wooden scaffolding that surrounded the entire structure. To lift heavy stones, they built long earthen ramps and used pulley systems pulled by animals. The four minarets around the Taj are tilted slightly outward. This prevents them from collapsing onto the main building during an earthquake. Black marble calligraphy decorates the entrance. The letters get larger as they go higher, a clever trick that makes the script look uniform from the ground. The gardens follow a Persian charbagh layout. Water channels reflect the building and serve as early cooling systems, fed by aqueducts and underground channels. Inside the mausoleum, the cenotaphs of Mumtaz and Shah Jahan are decorated with exquisite inlays. The real tombs lie in a sealed chamber below. Centuries later, the Taj Mahal remains one of the world's most precise examples of symmetry, craftsmanship, and architecture. Its engineering still inspires architects and historians today. This is how the Taj Mahal was built, a masterpiece of engineering, architecture, and human craftsmanship.